Your DNA is a historical record, not just a code of who you are, but a memory of what your ancestors survived. Hidden within your genome are fragments of ancient viruses that infected early humans millions of years ago. These viruses inserted their genetic material into our ancestors' DNA. Most were neutral, some were dangerous, but a few were unexpectedly useful. Over time, evolution repurposed these viral genes. They became part of us. Today, some of them play a role in regulating the immune system, helping it recognize threats. Others are essential for human reproduction, including the development of the placenta. Nearly 8% of the human genome comes from ancient viral DNA. We are not shaped by evolution alone. We are shaped by ancient invasions that never truly left. The past is not behind us. It lives quietly inside every cell. Death defines life. Every organism is born, grows, ages, and dies, except for one. The jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii possesses a remarkable ability. After reaching adulthood and reproducing, it can reverse its life cycle. Instead of dying, its cells reorganize, returning the jellyfish to its juvenile state. This process, called transdifferentiation, allows specialized cells to transform into entirely different cell types. In effect, the jellyfish resets its biological clock. In the wild, this does not make it invincible. It can still be eaten, injured, or destroyed by disease. But if it survives long enough, aging itself no longer applies. Immortality, as science defines it, already exists, not in humans, but drifting silently through the oceans of Earth. Trees do not stand alone. What appears to be a forest of individuals is, in reality, a connected system. Beneath the soil lies a vast underground network made of roots and microscopic fungi called mycorrhizae. These fungi act as living cables, linking trees together across entire forests. Through this network, trees exchange vital nutrients, carbon, nitrogen, water, and minerals. But the network does more than feed. When a tree is attacked by insects or stressed by drought, it sends chemical warning signals underground. Neighboring trees receive the message and activate their defenses before danger reaches them. Older trees, often called mother trees, play a central role. They support younger saplings by sharing nutrients and stabilizing the network, increasing the forest's overall resilience. This system has existed for millions of years. Long before humans built the internet, forests were already connected, communicating silently beneath our feet. Stars are not silent. Though space itself is a vacuum, stars are in constant motion. They vibrate, expand, and contract, creating powerful oscillations deep within their structure. These vibrations generate sound waves, pressure waves that travel through the star's plasma. In open space, there is no air to carry sound to our ears. But science has found a way to listen. Astronomers detect these stellar vibrations using precise instruments, converting light fluctuations into sound frequencies. This field is called astroseismology. It allows scientists to study a star's age, size, composition, and even its internal layers. Each star vibrates differently. Each produces a unique pattern of waves, a cosmic melody shaped by gravity and nuclear fusion. When translated into sound, the universe reveals itself not as silent, but as an endless symphony written in light and motion. A forest is not a collection of individuals. It is a living network. Beneath the soil, an invisible system connects trees through vast webs of fungi and roots. Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web. Through this underground network, trees exchange nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, and water. When one tree is injured by insects or disease, it sends chemical warning signals through the network. Nearby trees receive the message and prepare their defenses in advance. Older, larger trees, often called mother trees, play a crucial role. They support younger saplings by transferring nutrients and stabilizing the network. Stronger trees help weaker ones survive harsh conditions like drought or poor soil. This hidden cooperation challenges our understanding of nature. Forests do not thrive through competition alone. They survive through connection, balance, and mutual support. In silence beneath our feet, the forest is constantly communicating. In complete darkness, the human body emits light, not metaphorically, physically. This faint glow is produced by biochemical reactions taking place inside your cells. As cells generate energy, small amounts of light, called bioluminescence, are released during metabolic processes involving free radicals and oxygen. The light is extremely weak, far below the threshold of human vision. Our eyes evolved to see sunlight and fire, not the quiet glow of life itself, but ultra-sensitive cameras can detect it. When the lights go out, the human body reveals a soft, ghost-like illumination, constantly shifting, constantly alive. Every living cell contributes. Every breath, every heartbeat, every movement fuels this invisible radiance. We do not notice it. We do not feel it. Yet we are glowing. Every moment of our lives. Life does not just consume energy. It releases light. We experience time as constant, but physics tells a different story. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity slows time. A clock at sea level ticks more slowly than one on a mountain. Satellites orbiting Earth experience time faster than we do below. Without constant correction, GPS systems would fail. Time is not universal. It bends, stretches, and flows, shaped by mass and motion. Plastic was designed to last forever, and that became its greatest danger. But nature adapts faster than we expect. Scientists have discovered bacteria capable of breaking down plastic into harmless components. These microorganisms evolved by feeding on waste we created. They do not clean the planet overnight, but they offer hope. In the battle between pollution and life, life is learning to fight back. Your brain runs on electricity. Every decision you make, every emotion you feel, every memory you recall is powered by electrical signals traveling between billions of neurons. These impulses move at incredible speeds, forming complex networks of thought. When measured together, this electrical activity can generate enough energy to power a small light bulb. We often search for power outside ourselves. Yet one of the most powerful systems in existence lives inside our heads, silent, constant, alive. What if plants could hear? For decades, we believed plants were passive, silent organisms. Science is rewriting that story. Experiments show that certain plants can detect sound vibrations produced by insects chewing their leaves. These vibrations are sensed. The plant prepares its defenses, releasing chemicals that make its leaves toxic or bitter. Brain, no nerves, no ears, an advanced sensory system shaped by evolution. Nature's survival does not require intelligence, adaptation,